Hello friends, I am Abhilasha back with the new lesson. Today you are going to learn about past simple tense and it is also called simple past tense, past indefinite tense. First we will learn about how to make sentence, what is the right structure to make sentences and what is the situations comes in our life where we can use this tense. Let's see the structure. In structure, first we use subject, then we use second form of the verb, then we use object. I repeat it. Subject, the person who is doing the action, verb in the second form, past form of the verb, and then object. What is the use of this tense? Let's see the situations. First, we use this past simple tense when we want to talk about the action which is completed in the past tense. Completed action in the past tense. Any action, any activity which completed in the past tense, past time. It happened. It is no longer today. Let's see example. She wrote a letter. Guys, this is structure. She, subject, wrote, second form of the verb, wrote, first form is write, wrote, second form, and the third form is written. We use second form of the verb. She wrote a letter. Letter is object. Second example is that they played football. They, subject, played, past tense, football. These two actions is happened in the past time. She wrote a letter and then they played football. This is completed action. It happened in the past time. Second situation is that two actions finished in sequence. This is past action. Any two past actions which completed in sequence, one by one. One incident happened and then second happened. Let's see. Example. He switched on the light before opened the door. He, subject, person who is doing the action, switched on. He switched on the light before opened the door. In these two activities, we always use the second form of the verb in both the sentence. There are two sentences. First, he switched on the light. Incident happened maybe in yesterday or before yesterday. He switched on the light before opened the door. That's mean first he switched on the light, then opened the door. These two actions in a sequence and it is in the past tense. Let's see the other example. I changed my dress before I went to bed. Again, here second form of the verb, subject, second form of the verb. I changed, we use ed, my dress before I went to bed. Means first I changed my dress and then I went to bed. So I changed my dress first, then I went to bed. In these type of sentences, we use the word before. And the third situation is that when we want to talk about past habits, we use simple past tense or past indefinite tense when you want to tell about the past habits. Let's see the example. He always carried this bag. He, again subject, always. When we want to talk about habits, we use always or never. He always carried, this is the second form of the verb, this bag. It is his habit to carry this bag. Second example, I never missed the train. I never missed. In my life, I never missed the train. It is also showing it is past habit. This is the past habit of this person. He always carried this bag and I never missed the train. Fourth situation is that actions happened in the past with don't know exact time. You use past indefinite tense or past simple tense when we want to talk about the action happened in the past time and we don't know the exact time of the action. Example, father bought a pan. Father got a pan. This is the second form of the verb bought. Father bought a pan. Father bought a pan, but I don't know where, from where and when he bought it. He bought the pan. From which shop he bought it, I don't know. But yes, I don't know the exact time, when or where he bought it. But yes, I know the father bought a pan. Second example is that she washed her clothes. She, again, third person singular number, subject with subject, verb second form, washed her clothes. She washed her clothes, but I don't know the exact time when she washed her clothes. So it brings me to the end of the lesson, guys. I will come up with the new lesson soon. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe it. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care. Bye.